right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Paint workspace. So with this, let's go to Window and Workspace and go down to Paint. And with this, we can paint this background here. Let's do a little painting, shall we? So I can just kind of do whatever, and we can put that above this one. And let's see if that actually... Oh, I don't have it on. That's why. Okay. So we can just kind of paint on this, and that's really it. So you can paint. You can select different brushes. We can have change modes, so you can do a variety of blending modes. Okay. Channels, RGBA. You can do RGB, alpha. Okay. So you can set target channels for new stroke, duration, constant, right on, single frame, custom. Okay, and then all these other options here. And then you have brushes. So we can select different brushes. Diameter, angle, roundness, hardness, spacing, brush dynamics, pen pressure, minimum size 1%, angle, roundness, opacity, flow. Okay. And then we can preview it. So if I hit play, it'll preview the layer white solid 1, which is this right here. Okay, so we can preview it and see how it would look. And you'll notice that if I turn this one off and then I scrub through, it should display these different things that I did. But it also shows Learn Tech, which is in white, so you can't really read it. So when I turn this on, then we don't get to see any of it because this white background is layer 1. It's on the bottom, okay? And then the green is right here, okay? So that's fine, but that's how you use the Paint workspace and actually how you paint too. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.